Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Kia key fob. You're going to need one 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. You're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver, and realistically, the larger the better. So you want a screwdriver that basically fits in this slot completely, and that'll do less damage to the overall case. So just split these two halves apart. And you can use your fingers. You can see this piece kind of can come out. It just sits. Just rests right there. Alright, so here you're going to want to take your screwdriver and just push out the dead battery. Take out your old battery, and your new battery is going to go in positive side facing upward. And this just clips right back on here. Give that a good squeeze. Make sure everything's all lined up. Test right there, make sure you got your red light, and you're back in business. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.